Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play high hands. Playing high hands effectively is crucial for poker success. We will cover strategies for maximizing your winnings and minimizing losses with strong starting hands. Understanding hand strength, position, and aggression are fundamental principles. By applying these concepts, you can consistently make profitable decisions and gain an edge over your opponents. Let's dive into the specifics of pre-flop and post-flop play. Pre-flop, it is vital to play your high hands aggressively. Raising with hands like pocket aces or kings builds the pot and narrows the field. A 3-bet, which is a re-raise, further isolates opponents, giving you a better chance to win a larger pot. Resist the urge to slow play. You want to extract value early and often. Aim for a raise size of 2.5 to 3 times the big blind. Post-flop, your strategy with high hands depends heavily on the board texture. If the board is dry and favors your hand, continue with a continuation bet, typically 50 to 75% of the pot. However, if the board is wet with many draws, proceed with caution. Always observe your opponent's actions and adjust your play accordingly. Sometimes, checking to induce a bet can be a profitable move. Many players make common mistakes with high hands. One major error is overplaying marginal high cards in multi-way pots, which often leads to losing large amounts. Another pitfall is calling too frequently with strong but not unbeatable hands, especially against aggressive players. Remember, even pocket aces can be beaten. Learning to fold a strong hand when facing significant pressure is a crucial skill for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.